All right, what's up, guys? Decided to throw together a video on the exhaust clips for this car. And what this car has is all the factory mufflers, exhaust valves, and everything. And it has stainless works cat deletes from Modern Muscle Extreme. Cat deletes is the only exhaust modification that's on the car. Everything else is stock. It's been sitting overnight. It's about 38, 39 degrees this morning. And let's go do some cold starts. I'm gonna do some revs, and I'm gonna try to get some drive-bys today or tonight and put it all in this video. All right, first things first, a little cold start video. I backed up a little bit to try to make sure the microphones on this camera can handle it, because it is quite a bit louder than factory with these cat deletes on here. But I don't think it's quite as loud as a mid-muffler delete. Maybe it is. I don't know. I know it added some bass and it added some volume. So let's do a cold start. It's about 39 degrees. Still has the stock exhaust valve, stock mid muffler, stock rear muffler, just a cat delete. Quietens down at idle just a little bit. No more noise really inside the car. If you put it in track mode, you do notice a little bit more volume in the car, but there's not really any drone. There's no resonance inside the car that rattles your head when you're driving at any RPM, up, down mountains, any of that stuff.